With judicial matters where the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court, Justice John Dosho, says the amendment of the Electoral Act has increased the workload on the courts because the judiciary was not consulted in the process of amending the prices of legislation. The Federal High Court Chief Judge made the statement in a speech at the ceremony to mark the start of the 2022-2023 legal year of the Federal High Court.
As at today, a total of 1,838 pre-election cases were filed in the court, out of which 1,285 cases have been disposed of, leaving a total of 556 cases pending.
On the spot, the Nigerian Bar Association (NBA) says the amendment of the Electoral Act seems to have increased the workload on the court unduly. The NBA president, Yakubu Mayaku SAN, says the piece of legislation has not helped in easing the pressure on the court, adding fewer judges now handle pre-election matters assigned to them, over 700 judges in the past.
We fault the decision of the National Assembly to limit the hearing and determination of pre-election matters to this court without regard for its infrastructural and manpower deficit. I therefore call on the National Assembly to reconsider this amendment to the Electoral Act 2022. And my Lord, looking at the statistics of the number of judges in this country, my Lord, both the judges and the justices are not yet up to a task.
Chief Adegboyega Amowolo, on behalf of the body of the Senior Advocate of Nigeria, says there was need to establish a National Constitutional Court to handle electoral and other related cases. The Attorney General Abubakar Malami, who was represented by the Solicitor General Beatrice Jediagba, commended the commitment of the judges in hearing pre-election cases.
We have reached a stage in this country when very urgently Parliament, Judiciary, and all stakeholders in the administration of justice should consider establishing the National Constitutional Court of Nigeria. The Constitutional Court is one that will handle all constitutional and political election matters.
Lordships have also been called upon to advance the course of our electoral jurisprudence and strengthen democratic practices. While this is evidently taking a toll on the court, it is, however, gratifying to note that the leadership of the court has shown commitment and determination to manage the situation optimally.
The occasion to mark the commencement of the new legal year was preceded by a church service and inspection of a guard of honor by the Chief Judge of the Federal High Court.